Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Steam Deck is updated and has battery above 20% so the firmware stays stable during docking. Plug a 45W or higher USB CPD charger into the dock first, then connect your display adapter, HDMI or DisplayPort, so the deck negotiates resolution correctly. Once done, attach a powered USB hub if you need keyboard, mouse, or external storage. That prevents power draw issues. This avoids repeated reboots and sets a clean negotiation for video and USB devices. Next, you connect the display and peripherals in a logical order. Display adapter to dock, HDMI/DP cable to monitor, then Ethernet to the dock if you want lower latency. Make sure the adapter supports the resolution and refresh rate you want, otherwise reduce settings in SteamOS. Once the display shows signal, attach keyboard and mouse to the powered USB hub and plug external storage last so the deck mounts drives cleanly. If a peripheral fails to appear, unplug and replug that device while keeping power stable. Finally, you finish by adjusting display settings in SteamOS. Set resolution, refresh rate, and scaling to match your monitor. Make sure audio output switches to HDMI/DP in the sound settings. If the deck won't output video, disconnect power and reinsert the USB-C cable, then try another PD charger or a different certified cable. Faulty cables are a common cause. If peripherals don't enumerate, update the Steam Deck firmware. Reboot and reconnect devices one at a time to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.